Use the substitution u equals 2x plus 1 to find the answer to this integral. So because we're using a substitution to find the answer to a definite integral, there are a few things we need to do. And looking at the integral itself, we can see what they are. Firstly, these are the limits for our x values. So we need to find the limits for our u values. We know that u is equal to 2x plus 1. So at x equals 0, u is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1, which is 1. And at x equals a half, u is equal to 2 times a half plus 1, 2. So now these are our lower and upper limits. Now we see we have dx, but we want du. So using u equals 2x plus 1 again, if we differentiate this, we have du by dx is equal to just 2. And rearranging for x, we get dx is equal to a half du. Now that we've sorted out the first and the third things, let's start substituting in. So the integral is equal to, now our limits are 1 to 2, and we have 4x minus 1. So let's see how we can get 4x using u equals 2x plus 1. If we double both sides, we get 2u equals 4x plus 2. And rearranging for 4x, we get 4x equals 2u minus 2. Now if we substitute 2u minus 2 into 4x minus 1, we get 2u minus 3 all over u to the power of 5. Now we replace our dx with a half du times by a half du. Now because the half here is a constant, so it doesn't have any u values, we can take this out of the integral and bring it to the front. And we can simplify this integral by splitting it into two separate fractions. So we get a half, with our limits 1 to 2, of 2u over u to the 5 minus 3 over u to the 5 du. Now if we just simplify our fractions, we get a half, the integral from 1 to 2. 2u divided by u to the 5 is 2u to the minus 4 minus 3u to the minus 5 du. Now if we just integrate this by increasing the power by 1 and dividing by the new power, you get a half, square brackets, minus 2/3 u to the minus 3 plus 3 over 4 u to the minus 4. Here because you're dividing two negatives to make a positive. And our limits are still 2 and 1. Now if we just substitute in our limits, we get a half, now minus 2 over 3, 2 to the minus 3 plus 3 over 4, 2 to the minus 4, subtract minus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4, since 1 to any power is just 1. And now if we evaluate the things inside our round brackets, you get a half, minus 7 over 192, subtract 1 over 12. The thing inside our square bracket evaluates to minus 23 over 192. And once you just multiply these out, you get minus 23 over 384. And this is the answer to our integral using the u substitution.